sir, for giving me this floor to advise my friends who are present in this conversation. I will advise you all that how may you improve your pronunciation skill. It's especially American pronunciation skill, and how my journey was to improve my American pronunciation skill. I will give you more advices and my experience to you all. So at first, I will advise you that how may you improve your American pronunciation skill. That you may watch many commentary in for sports like cricket, football, or Paris Olympics that have already done. You may watch the commentaries, how the player is speaking. You may watch them, and how they're speaking. You may watch them that how they're speaking. So now I will say that how I have improved myself. I have in some years earlier, I have also used to watch many sports channel as my father was watching this. Then I have heard the cricketer or footballer, they are giving a speech that how they have played, what is their strategies. So I have heard how their pronunciation. Then I have asked my father and mother that for mom or dad, why they are pronouncing like this. We are pronunciation normal English, so they are not pronunciation like our normal English. Then my father and mother said that this is American English. They are using phonetic stylistics English in this modern era. So I just used to hear that how they're speaking. Then automatically the American pronunciation come into my mouth, and I always try to speak this American pronunciation. Not only so, that I've also used to watch many anime movies and cartoon episodes, anime episodes, that how they're speaking. I have also learned that how they're talking to each other. Then I also tried and practiced myself. I have give offer to my friends that let's practice English. We may practice English. We can play that how they're speaking. We may acting like this. So my friend and we also practice English, and automatically the American pronunciation comes into your mind that we could say like this. And also you may watch many videos in YouTube American pronunciation, then Australian pronunciation, the difference between it. There will be many YouTube channels. You may see that American words than British words, the difference between it. So we should say the American words and American pronunciation, because in this modern era of 2024, that American pronunciation is the most important thing to communicate with other peoples or getting a good job. So you should practice it again and again, more and more, because and one words you have to practice day by day, because if you're learning a word one day, some days later automatically you will forget. So you have to learn one word, and you have to practice this one word like 100 times or 200 times. Then automatically you will recognize the word, and you can use this sentence in every situation, every time. So at first I will give you advice to watch sports channel, that how the cricketers or sportsmen are speaking or women are speaking. You may watch many western shows, western movies like Hollywood, how they're speaking, how they're talking and communicating with other peoples. You may watch many interviews, many idols interviews, how they're speaking. At first you should, if you can't understand what they're saying, so you may on the captions, then you can read it also and also hear. So reading the things and listening the things, you may improve your speaking skill, then reading skill, and also listening skill. Then you should write it to improve your writing skill. Then and automatically you will improve your 4 skills: speaking, reading, writing, and listening. So that's it about my pronunciation. How may you improve your pronunciation skill, and you may also try it, that I have also tried it. So that's all about my information. Thank you so much.